we're watching this this guy right here. Where did he get? Right there with the watermelon. He's guarding the watermelon, won't really let anybody else eat off of it. Oops. Oh, she's gonna get in trouble for feeding them. People are gonna get mad at that lady for feeding them. That's why I was just gonna go drop it off and then uh-oh. People are gonna yell at her. That's a no-no on the beach.
These people right here in the blue thing are going to be really mad at her.
Yeah. She doesn't realize that this is a violation of beach etiquette.
It's a violation of beach etiquette.
That's why they swarm you when you have something like
Yes.
Oh my god.
I know. APB went out to the birdland and now they're all thinking that this is where dinner time is.